Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make beautiful roses. She is my sister. Hi. She is gonna introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Harini and this is my first video in YouTube with my sister.
In this video she is gonna be in some videos. So let's go and start how to make rose. Materials required are a compass for circle, scissors, two color papers because we both are doing, glue. Now let's start how to make it. Friends, we already made one. Now we should do like this 3 more. Come, let's start. First we need the compass. We need the compass and we should draw 2 circles, 2 big circles.
Start.
Now friends, we drew one circle. Now we need another circle, so I am folding into half so we can get another circle. Now let's take the scissors and cut it.
One.
Done. Now we should cut these papers like we should cut this like snail's shell.
ఓకే సస్పెన్స్ అయినా ఇంకా ఎప్పుడు సస్పెన్షన్ తీసేస్తారు అది సరైన కానీ మేము పడింది చాలా మంచి ఇప్పుడు నాకు చేస్తారు నిన్న కూడా ఒక కేంద్ర మంత్రి కార్యక్రమమే ఉంది వాళ్ళ కార్యక్రమంలోనే
చేసా.
Now we should leave some gap to stick it. We should cut like this for this paper. Let's cut it. Done. We are done. Now we should roll this slowly. Before that, we should cut at the edge to get nice rolling. Now let's roll it. Friends, my sister is helping me in rolling because I have a bad rolling. We should roll like this way. You should. Friends, now after rolling like this, we should put some loose so that it can be large like this. Friends, now we are taking glue and
After this, we will get a big flower. We need to stretch it like this. Don't tear it. Do like this. After this, keep down here. So the result is this. It's nice.
now let's like this only and we'll roll the second one.
So we went halfway through. No? It's in the end. Pass. After this, it looks like this. So it's looking some plain, so we need to add some details.
So we have some extra stickers. Let's add blue.
Yeah, green doesn't look good on this. Pink.
And for this too. Friends, for this I kept the sticker inside and this outside. Now for this we are making another. So friends, now we are done with our roses.
This is red.
Big one red color rose, small one pink color rose. Now let's add stickers for this big one also. Now friends, we are done. Please like and subscribe our channel and comment whose is the best rose. Bye friends. Bye friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.